Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a whatnot unboxing. By the way, there's a story behind this. I thought I won one box, instead I won three. So all this candy literally will be going towards an Easter party that I'm throwing for my senior. Like, I'm gonna make like little bags and stuff, and then whatever's left over, I'm gonna make little bags for my niece and nephew, and then whatever's left over from that, I'm gonna make bags for the office. So all of this candy is not gonna go to waste. But just look at all this. Like, holy, yes, a lot of it is Christmas, or it says Merry Christmas, but I'm sure in a lot of this I can just open. I literally bake a lot, so this will definitely come in handy next season. So, you know, little peppermint bites, dark chocolate, which I'm sure, someone will use. Okay, marshmallow dunkers for, what do you call that? Hot chocolate. Right now we are still in a crazy winter thing. Holy crap. Like, a crap load of, like, coffee and cocoa and all that other stuff, like a coffee lover's kit. Like I say, it just says Lindor's Swiss chocolate. Ooh, another one of these, which is just Swiss chocolate. I'm going through this. Okay, and then another Pharaoh, one of these, okay? It's the hazelnut one now. Since I have a bag a box that literally has any regular, I can just kind of throw in there. So then it's easier. But nerds. Shut up. Okay, a Starbucks cup. Oh, I'm excited. I know another one of another one of these. Another marshmallow. Another dark chocolate peppermint bite thingies. Hershey's Kisses. And a huge Lindora thingy, which is cool. I mean, in this one, they even threw some random in there, like I said. Just trying to dump it. Okay. Right now, this is literally right now all the extras. I'm trying to throw everything in, I can technically leave that out. This is all I'm trying to condense everything down to 2 boxes instead of 1. Oh, well, that's why. Alright, well, I can just throw it in there then. Okay. Last, but certainly not least. Alright, so have some more Lindor chocolates. You get Mellow Cream Pumpkins, freeze-dried candy. Okay. Say hi to Diesel. Get some Halloween M&Ms. Some more of the Marshmallow Dunkers. Dark chocolate dipped crispy crepes. Sure. Now, peppermint bark. And I'm making sure that everything's still in date. Okay. Milk, dark, and white chocolate solid chocolate spoons. Great for hot chocolate. There's the white one. Okay. More peppermint bites. And I think, yeah, that's literally it. So, that's it in this unboxing. Like I said, I'm gonna transfer stuff to one box so I can put it in the closet for Easter, and then make the little bags. I'll probably make the bags either here or go down to the community room and do it all, because I know I have more stuff for these bags. Also, I just bought pens. I just bought like little things. I know I bought eggs and things, so it'll be a fun time. But yeah, that's literally everything that was in this unboxing. Stay tuned. If you like this video, comment below, click the bell so you're notified every single time I post a video. Like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.